Hello kids! Welcome to Reading by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Read and choose. Clothes we wear.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Sentence 1. A hat is worn on the head.
Let's read that again.
A hat is worn on the head. Question 1. What do we wear on the head? A. Shoes. B. Hat.
The correct answer is
hat. Sentence 2. Shoes are worn on the feet.
Let's read that again.
Shoes are worn on the feet. Question 2. What do we wear on the feet? A. Shoes. B. Shirt.
The correct answer is
shoes. Sentence 3. A shirt is worn on the upper body.
Let's read that again.
A shirt is worn on the upper body. Question 3. What do we wear on the body? A. Socks. B. Shirt.
The correct answer is
shirt. Nice one.
Now please subscribe the channel. Fun activity. Clap 3 times. Clap, clap, clap.
Sentence 4. Pants cover our legs.
Let's read that again.
Pants cover our legs. Question 4. What do we wear on our legs? A. Cap. B. Pants.
The correct answer is
pants. You're doing great. Sentence 5. Socks are worn inside shoes.
Let's read that again.
Socks are worn inside shoes. Question 5. What do we wear inside shoes? A. Socks. B. Gloves.
The correct answer is
socks.
Super!
Sentence 6. A jacket keeps us warm in winter.
Let's read that again.
A jacket keeps us warm in winter. Question 6. What do we wear in winter? A. Jacket. B. Shorts.
The correct answer is
jacket.
Good thinking. Sentence 7.
A raincoat keeps us dry in the rain.
Let's read that again.
A raincoat keeps us dry in the rain. Question 7. What do we wear in the rain? A. Hat. B. Raincoat.
The correct answer is
raincoat.
Sentence 8.
Gloves keep our hands warm.
Let's read that again.
Gloves keep our hands warm. Question 8. What do we wear on our hands? A. Gloves. B. Shoes.
The correct answer is
gloves.
Awesome! Hey superstar, want to show how fast you can read? Ask Mama or Papa to book your reading challenge below. Click link in description.
Fun activity. Point to what you are wearing.
Sentence 9.
A scarf is worn around the neck.
Let's read that again.
A scarf is worn around the neck. Question 9. What do we wear around the neck? A. Belt. B. Scarf.
The correct answer is
scarf.
Nice! Sentence 10.
Pajamas are worn while sleeping.
Let's read that again.
Pajamas are worn while sleeping. Question 10. What do we wear to sleep? A. Pajamas. B. Jeans.
The correct answer is
Pajamas.
well done.
Sentence 11. A school uniform is worn to school.
Let's read that again.
A school uniform is worn to school. Question 11.
What do we wear to school? A. Jacket. B. Uniform. The correct answer is uniform. Sentence 12. A swimsuit is worn for swimming. Let's read that again. A swimsuit is worn for swimming. Question 12. What do we wear for swimming? A. Swimsuit. B. Sweater. The correct answer is swimsuit. Amazing. Sentence 13. Sunglasses protect our eyes from sunlight. Let's read that again. Sunglasses protect our eyes from sunlight. Question 13. What do we wear for our eyes? A. Cap. B. Sunglasses. The correct answer is fun. Great job! Free one-on-one reading check. Know your child's reading level in just 30 minutes. Fun activity. Pretend to wear a jacket. Sentence 14. A belt helps keep pants in place. Let's read that again. A belt helps keep pants in place. Question 14. What do we use to keep pants in place? A. Belt. B. Socks. The correct answer is belt. You're a star. Sentence 15. A cap protects our head from the sun. Let's read that again. A cap protects our head from the sun. Question 15. What do we wear on the head? A. Shoes. B. Cap. The correct answer is cap. Fantastic! Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Great job, kids! You did an amazing job today. If you had fun, make sure to like this video. And if you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.